Scott Nygaard, editor of Acoustic Guitar, and today we're going to play an arrangement of the campground jam favorite Beaumont Rag. Beaumont Rag is a fiddle rag first recorded in the 1920s in the key of F, and later transformed into a guitar showpiece by Doc Watson, who played it in the key of C. Watson and Clarence White recorded influential versions of it in the early 1960s, and nearly every serious bluegrass flat picker has had a go at it since. In this arrangement, I've taken Watson's version as a model for the first pass, measures 1 through 32, and White's jazzier, flashier, and more syncopated version as a model for the second, measures 33 through 64. The cross-picking featured in the B part has become a common exercise for budding cross-pickers. I play this section with alternating down-up strokes like Watson did, but some people prefer a down-down-up approach that matches the repeated three-note arpeggios. When you get to measure 23 in the first pass, or measure 55 in the second, it's common for the band to stop on the downbeat and let the soloist proceed alone for 2 bars. The first time through, I play a variation on a well-known Doc Watson lick. Clarence White famously played a chromatic descending phrase inspired by Django Reinhardt at this point. So in measures 55 to 56, I've updated the historical reference by playing a line stolen from John Coltrane. I'll play each pass separately at a relaxed tempo, although many guitarists are fond of playing Beaumont Rag as fast as their picks can go. And then I'll slow each part down a bit. So here's the first time through my arrangement of Beaumont Rag, the basic version inspired by Doc Watson. 1, 2, 3. So here's the second time through, a little jazzier, flashier version. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we'll slow each part down. Here's the first A part played slowly. Now here's the first B part played slowly. This is the cross-picking section. You'll notice I'm going to play alternating strokes through these. Some people will play sort of a down-down-up pattern which goes. But I prefer the first. So here's the B part played slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. the second A part played slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last 4 bars there, you'll notice that I was moving through some arpeggios that match the chords in the backup. The backup goes F, F sharp diminished, C, A7, D7, G7, C. So that little line goes to the F, F sharp diminished, there's the F sharp diminished, back to the C, A7, D7, G7, and then back to the C. So now let's play the second part slowly. Once again, here we're using some cross-picking shapes. This time I've moved up the neck a bit to a little shape that looks, we're playing a G7 chord, but it looks almost out of an F shape or D shape up here. I'm just going to play those first 2 notes there with the open G, and then go back to get this B note there. Then when I switch to the C chord, I'm playing, and then to the G chord again. So the picking pattern will be the same as in the first part, but just the chord shapes have changed. So here's the second B part played slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my arrangement of Beaumont Rag. By the way, this arrangement is in no way meant to be a definitive version. Although the first A and B parts stick close to the melody as it's usually played, the second A and B parts can be thought of as a collection of ideas to inspire your own versions. For acoustic guitar, I'm Scott Nygaard.